Hi everybody. Just a real quick update. I've been using RV Parky to set up my itinerary for my travels. I'm leaving July 15th, July 20th. Anyway, with this RV Parky, I put in my leave departure date from here at the house, and that I wanted to stop in Sacramento. These are for sure stops. Sacramento, Klamath Falls, Seattle, Washington. Those are the for sure places I'm going to stop. And there was a place on the website to click in between those places to find RV parks, casinos, whatever. And so I was able to build my itinerary all the way to from here where I live in California, and I built my itinerary all the way over, traveling to, I believe, Cody, Wyoming, and that includes hitting Yellowstone. So I'm pretty excited about that. The RV Parky website is pretty awesome. It gives you a place to put in the town you want to go to, and then it's got an icon you can click on that. Find a place to stay. So, and then it'll give you a whole list of campgrounds or like Cracker Barrels, different kinds of places. So it was really easy to do. So anyway, I've spent about 6 hours today doing that. I don't even know what time it is. I just need to take a break. So I've done that, and it is hot here today. I think it's probably 100, 102. Yeah, no fun. And there's no way I can be out in that TrailManor. So another thing I'm getting ready to look for is an air conditioner. And not quite sure how to install it, or if I should just get one of those little roll-around portable ones. Looking for suggestions. Another suggestion I need is a name for the TrailManor. Poor little thing is nameless. So if you've got any ideas, let me know. Just post it below in the comments. Let's see what else is happening. I guess that's about it. I know I had a video come out this morning, and I have another one coming out either tomorrow or the day after. But I wanted to get this posted so you knew in real time. And yeah, my truck should be here on the 25th. I'll get to visit with my daughter and grandkids. And then my son-in-law is a singer, so he's got a show in Los Angeles to do. So they'll take off, and when they do, I've got an appointment to have the truck completely gone through mechanically. I'll get new tires on it, new tires on the TrailManor, make sure everything on the TrailManor's sound. And then one thing I forgot to tell you is I was talking with Sonia, the lady at TrailManor. I've got an issue and I'm trying to order a part. Anyway, long story short, she invited me, since I'm going to be back that direction, to come to the TrailManor plant and have a tour. And I can videotape it, so when I do that, I'll bring you along. I am so excited to do that. And while I'm there, I'm going to have them give a once-over on the TrailManor mechanically to make sure the lift arms and all that stuff. So be watching for that video. It's going to be fun. I think leaving here to the day I hit Omaha is 41 days travel, but that's going to end up being more because I'm going to have stops between Cody, Wyoming, or Thermopolis. Yeah, to go to Thermopolis. There'll be more. Anyway, you'll see. Just stay tuned. Keep watching the videos. Bye, guys.